Hey guys, I just want to go over some of these light bulbs that we got here. These are LED lights from Fahren, and inside the box we're going to have two sets of bulbs. We got 9005s and 9006 bulbs. These are pretty nice bulbs. You can see they have the tether on them. They have built-in cooling fans in the back. They're an aluminum housing, and these mounting plates on the back are actually movable. You can clock them in case you need to move the tether. You see the little hole there? There's actually a Allen key screw that's in there. And in the box, you'll get two Allen keys. And also you'll get a user manual that's gonna show you a bunch of stuff, a bunch of specs and different parts of the light. And then also a couple other little things. This thing you can scan in the QR code. It's gonna extend your warranty 1 year. And you can join for some upgraded light program, so kind of neat. We're just going to throw these in right now. They're pretty simple to install on this car, and it's going to vary between whatever car you have, but first thing you got to do is take the old light bulbs out. So I've already got these ones out, but you just basically reach in wherever your light bulbs are, and you're just going to turn them counterclockwise, remove them, unplug them. These normally you've got a little black tab, you're gonna push that down and unclip. Pretty simple. All right, so we're gonna take our new bulbs, and we can see they're tagged, so 9006. The other one's gonna say 9005. Most cars, 9006 is gonna be your low beam, and 9005 is gonna be your high beam. But we just basically set these in here, and the three tabs need to line up and they go into the slots, and then we lock it in place by rotating that clockwise. We can then choose our appropriate connectors, plug those into place, grab our other bulb, we'll do the same thing. So this one's gonna be your high beam, 9005. And we just sort of fit that in there like this, rotate it clockwise till it locks into place. Grab this, plug it in, and now we're ready to turn the lights on and see what they look like. All right, so here's the low beams. You can see they look pretty nice. They're very white. I can already tell there's lots of light being projected out of the front compared to the original halogen bulbs. And then the high beams, extra bright. Those will be very nice for nighttime driving. You'll be able to see farther into the ditch for animals and all that stuff. So pretty nice lights overall. I'm sure they sell many different lights for your vehicle. So these ones, like I say, they have the tether on them. The way these headlight lenses are constructed, the tether is fine, but some of the lights need to go inside and there's a cap that goes on. So make sure you do your homework and find out what lights you need for your car. These ones, 93 Camry, 9005, 9006. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.